Today I'm going to show you how to create a new loading background for your Gimp. So first what you have to do is create a new layer, a new transparent layer, and make the foreground color black. Use the paths tool and make a straight line near the end. Now select one point in the middle and curve it down to make any curve you want. Now continue the selection. Click on enter to select the whole selection. Then use the fill bucket tool and click the center of your selection and it should make it black. Now tone down the opacity of this curved layer to about 60 and click select none. Now we're done with that layer. Now zoom in and use the text tool with the color as white or any color you want. I'm going to use a bit like gray. Now here you want to make it look professional, so create a new text box, type in Gimp and click on close. You want to make the size fairly big, about 30, and then you create another text and type in version 2.6 and click on close. You want to make this size a bit smaller, about 20, and click on close. Create another text and type in this product is licensed, oops, I'm not sure if that's even how you spell it, but licensed to, and your name, and then click on close. You want to make this about 10 as we're making each text layer 10 smaller, and move it right down there. Now you are basically done with the text, and now we just have one more part left. Now you're still using the text tool. Do not make this bubbles or whatever your background is visible, and click on image, merge visible layers, and click on merge. Then you can make this visible again. Use the text tool and you can use whatever color you want. I'm going to use black. Click OK and make a big G for Gimp. You want the size to be very big this time, about 170, maybe even bigger. Click the alignment tool, click once on the G, and select align left edge of target. And then tone the opacity down to about 50 or 52. Now create another text, oops, and do I, and move it up right next to the G. Tone the opacity down so it's the same as the G, and keep on repeating the steps until you're done. I'm going to pause and then come back to you when I'm done. Then you click on image, merge visible layers, expand it as necessary, and merge. Now you have your basic Gimp background, and I am going to save it and show you where to save. So go to File, Save As, Then go to local disk or your C drive, program files, Gimp 2.0. Then go to share, Gimp 2.0, and then go to images, and it says here Gimp Splash. This is currently mine. I had a flower lotus thing. So you click on here and click on save, but since I already have one and I don't want to change it, I am not going to save it there. So you just click on save and you're basically done. So thank you for watching.